Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm making classic desi style chicken vegetable spring roll which I thoroughly enjoyed at Iftar. And every household have their own recipe and they have very different variation out there. So today I thought to share my version of these spring rolls. So let's go and make it happen. To start off this recipe, first I'm making filling. For that I'm heating a little bit of oil in a saucepan and adding very teeny tiny chicken chunks in that saucepan and cook until they started changing its color. Then I'm seasoning it with some salt and black pepper and cook until chicken completely changes its color. Then I'm covering it for a little while so chicken release all its water. Then cook on high flame until extra water dries out. Then I'm adding some vegetables which need to be cooked a little longer. Then I'm adding some chopped onions and green peas. Mix and then I'm adding sauces which include ketchup, soy sauce and vinegar. Mix very well and cook until all extra water dries out and peas are completely cooked through. Now I'm adding some shredded carrots and cabbage and now mix everything well and then we just need to steam up these vegetables. Now mix our filling is ready, but just in case if has extra water I am transferring it into a colander, and then when all the water comes out I'm transferring it into a bowl and let it cool down completely. We need some spring roll sheets and edible glue which I make with beaten egg white and some all-purpose flour. Then I took the spring roll sheet, put it on my counter, and at the one edge, I'm adding some filling and start rolling very tightly towards the top until I comes in the middle. Then I pick up the right side and bring it in the middle, and the left side and bring it in the middle as well, and it turn into an envelope. Then start rolling again, and then take that edible glue or lay, and then spread it at the remaining part and roll this spring roll. So here you can see a perfectly shaped spring roll is ready. I'm transferring these spring rolls onto a cutting board which is already lined with a plastic sheet and repeat the same process and complete all my spring rolls. Then I cover these spring rolls with another piece of plastic sheet and transfer this tray into a freezer until they are completely frozen. Then label the Ziploc bag and transfer those spring rolls in a bag. You can clearly tell that we have a lot of rolls in the house and we love frozen. When you're ready to fry the spring rolls, just heat some oil, transfer your spring rolls and fry them until they get very nice golden color on each side and then transfer on a piece of paper towel. And your desi style spring rolls are ready to serve for your iftar. Ramadan are considered incomplete without the samosas or spring rolls. And if you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. And please remember me and my family in your prayers this Ramadan. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.